Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. And this is the second watch in a very short span that we have from Baltany. I unboxed and I really liked also the Baltany 1921 Historique Homage. And but I thought I'd really want something that actually is for me functional. So I wanted something that is solar because it didn't have solar in my collection. And I saw this one and I thought, why not try it out? So the usual unboxing rituals. Let's see what we have. So you get a nice Baltany watch. Yeah, just like a cloth. You get the instruction manual and you get a dated card for the warranty. Yes, all good. Everything intact. We have no use for them at the moment. You get also a nice leather watch pouch, as you can see, for a single watch. And you get the watch right here. So the one I ordered is the S6070, which is the chronograph solar with the brown dial. So let's see. So let me get this off. If you do like this kind of content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. I try to do a one-shot video, so basically going through the video without any stops, without needs of editing. Maybe I'll try a different format from the start of next year, but let's see. And here we go. I actually like this chocolate dial. It looks really, really nice. So let's get down to the specifications. So it is 39 millimeters in diameter and lug to lug around 48, thickness around 12, lug width 20, so a nice 20 lug width, sterile case back. Let me take this sticker off because this is think one watch I will be wearing a lot because I'm wearing this one the other way. I wore these dive along a lot of times, and I think this will be like a nice change for it. So basically, I have crown guards for the Epson V71 solar chronograph movement. Here we have two types of lume on the dial, BGW9 and retro lume, as they call it on their website. So you have blue and green, which is quite nice. I like it. So let's see the chronograph. It works. Screw down crown, which is always good. 100 meters water resistance. I need to take it one more. Here it is. Changing the date. Goes good. Let's try the date by itself. Changes also good. Screws back. Starts. Stops. On goes again. So this restarts. Yeah, so we have, like I said, the VS71 Epson, so a Seiko movement as well. That's used also in the movements. For this, you have 6 months fill with the solar power reserve. It also catches from the ambient light. You have polished and brushed. So you have brushed on the side, polished on the chamfers of the bezel and the lugs as well, as you can see. Here is the view from the side. It looks really nice. I'll put it now on my wrist so we can see how it looks like. So the strap is actually quite supple. I have to say it's soft. As you can see, genuine leather. I just put it on it. You have Baltany here, also on the buckle, which I like. And here is on my 17.1 centimeter wrist. I think it goes really well. I don't like the date, to be honest, but I have to say for sometimes I really need the date complication. Especially I have this one it's without a date complication. So I thought maybe the second chronograph, quartz chronograph that I have would be this one. And I'm thinking about getting a mechanical one with a mono pusher. Handhard is coming to mind, but leave in the comment section, maybe you have some suggestions from me, a mono pusher chronograph. I think that would be a nice addition to my collection as well. Anyways, yeah, I think I covered everything about this watch. Baltany has, I think, 2 years guarantee with their watches. Until now, people had really good stuff to say about their watches. So I'll try it out and give you my full review in the review video. So be sure to check that out. Also subscribe. It does help this channel a lot. And as always, here the subscription button in the middle and 2 videos on the left and on the right that might interest you as well. See you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.